Here we are today in Belmont, replacing some drain pipes for this gentleman, cleaning the gutters. Typical drain pipe replacement process. What we like to do if we can, we don't want to bring the drain pipe and the elbow directly to the ground. We want to stay off a few inches, depends on what's going on as far as snow and ice. We've decided not to put an extension on right here because it would just create a trip hazard, and then this drain here is not functioning. Well, it might be in this particular one, but the rest of them definitely aren't. So we've decided not to go back down inside. In some towns, they're illegal. You're not supposed to tie into the main water source. So I believe this is one of the towns.